Well, it's Monday morning at Uncle Keith's paint shop, and we have been incredibly busy on this beautiful FN2 in silver. Haven't we just been busy?
Yeah.
Now, have you enjoyed it so far?
Yeah, loved it, yeah.
Right, let's tell people what we're doing. So we are got to try and put this back together. Now, it's had a few bits. It's had some strut braces to start with, ultra racing strut braces, front and rear. You can just see in the back there. It's had a rear one as well. We fitted a carbon fibre bonnet.
Beautiful.
It's a nice bonnet, but did it fit?
It did fit, but you just got to...
Carbon fibre doesn't really ever fit very well, does it?
You sort of put it on and you think, and then you've got to try and sort of start.
It takes a long time, doesn't it?
About and adjusting things, and
it takes a long time.
And you're moving the hinges about, and you just.
Now I notice that the front end's off. So what else have we been doing? There's the front end there, mate.
Yeah, well, I just took the front end off it.
Just for a laugh, like.
Yeah. We've got some fiberglass wings in here.
Come on then, let's have a look.
That we've been working on.
Fiberglass takes a long while, don't it?
Yeah. And this is the end result after priming and flatting and painting and.
Oh, they look beautiful,
rubbing
mate.
and yeah, I think the rest is nice. And drilling holes and
holes.
Yeah. Because I've got some pictures. We test fitted these first because you have to make all these holes yourself.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. You have to, like all these square where the clips go in, you have to stand there and file them all out. And
oh, okay.
It's very sort of time consuming. All the holes, they're not there. They've got like a little dimple where
to suggest where you want to put it.
Yeah, that's right. But that doesn't mean that's exactly where.
So was the process then actually fit them to the car before painting and prepping?
Yeah, that's what we did. Yeah, I've got some. I don't think we've got any footage. I've got some pictures of that.
Yeah, we'll share those.
So I've got some pictures of it all.
So it isn't just a question of someone rocking up with a couple of wings saying paint them.
Yeah,
because
you can't really you can't do that. Well, you can do that, but then you've got a job on your hands.
Yeah, because what you're looking for is the end result.
Get them to fit. Yeah.
Yeah, what you're looking for is the end result with them actually fitted to the car and taking a photograph and shaking hands and saying goodbye. And you could paint them, but that wouldn't necessarily mean that they're actually going to fit. So when they get home, it could be a job.
Yeah.
Could be a task. Yeah. Well, I know that there's been quite a few hours going to these.
You wouldn't like try and cut that hole with it freshly painted, would
you? No, I
in
suppose
case you
not.
Slipped or.
Yeah.
I mean, it can be done. I'm not saying it, but just minimising that.
Yeah, it makes more sense to get it.
The risk, right?
Yeah, it makes more sense to get them to fit than paint them. That wing looks massive for some reason.
Massive.
It actually looks massive.
It looks too big.
It actually looks too big for the car, but it's.
I think they do look big because this sort of all steps out here and it looks really sort of.
Yeah.
I think it just gives that impression.
Yeah. Well, this is the first of two FN2s in silver that we're dealing with. I know we've got another silver FN2 here for a lot of work.
Yeah.
So we're gonna we've got to complete this task, get the customer home, shake his hand, and all of that, and then we've got a really big task to crack on with, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. A real big task. But it's going to be great, isn't it? I love seeing FN2s leave here all shiny, mate. Yeah, it's a really nice feeling. Yeah. So what we'll do is, I think we'll come back to you when you're bolting some of this up, and then if the sun's out today and these are bolted up, we'll finish the video. Yeah, we'll finish this video outside. But yeah, they look beautiful, man.
Ready to go.
They look beautiful. And they've been cameraed against the car, have they?
Yeah, we've cameraed them against the car.
Yeah, good stuff. Well, brilliant, Keith. A great way to start the week. Handed another customer his car back, and then we'll crack on. So we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so as promised, it's out in the daylight. And it's looking nice. This one's had a front splitter fitted. It's had its front grille refitted, a carbon fibre bonnet, which seems to fit really nicely after lots of hard work. It's got some fiberglass wings that have been fitted. These are vented ones, and Uncle Keith has obviously painted them in silver, and it's looking really, really well. What you got to say for yourself, Keith?
looks nice, don't it?
It does look nice, mate. It does look nice.
I'm happy that the trim's all, you know, the trim's look nice, all fitted back on. And yeah, just got it.
Got it looking nice,
Got
haven't
the
we?
carbon fibre and the fiberglass to fit together as well as you can expect. Yeah,
I think it looks wicked, man.
yeah, really pleased.
I'm sure he'll be absolutely over the moon with that. Fitting a carbon fibre bonnet is not an easy task.
I bet a lot of people have tried.
Carbon fibre doesn't, I mean, it's never going to be as good as the original part. It won't be as good as, obviously, it's not metal, so it's come from a moulding. But I think that fits as well as ever I've seen one fit. So yeah, it looks quite tasty. Yummy. Yeah, and the colour match is really, really good, as you'd expect. Anything to add, Richard?
No, don't think so.
Okay. Well, there we go. You happy with that, aren't you, Keith?
Yeah, really pleased.
All right.
It's another one in the bag.
It's another one in the bag. So like and subscribe and all that jazz, and satisfaction guaranteed, or your dent back.
Yeah.
Come down to Uncle Keith's and get touched up. He just wants to take some photographs of you.
Yeah.
We'll see you all on the next one. Thanks, guys.